How to use PlayStation Stars Rewards program. To use the PlayStation Stars Rewards program, you have to launch the PlayStation application on your mobile device. However, I do not have the official PlayStation application on my region, so I cannot download it, but you can download the application by simply launching your device's App Store. Tap on the search bar, then search for PlayStation application. Now, once you download it, you simply have to log in using your primary PlayStation Network account. Tap the PlayStation Stars icon on the main dashboard screen and accept the program's terms. Now, you simply have to complete the campaigns, or you can also buy store items. Active PlayStation Plus subscribers automatically earn points on every eligible digital purchase made in the PlayStation Store. You can redeem your points. You can simply tap on your PlayStation Star label icon in the mobile application and open the Rewards Catalogue. From there, you can choose the available option based on your points balance. You can also choose the PSN Wallet Funds reward to instantly add real dollar currency to your account balance for future purchases. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.